Hey guys, this is John Bretz, the Director of Product Development for Okuma Fishing Tackle, here to introduce to you another extension to the popular new SCT series of fishing rods, or spiral carbon technology. This is what we call Sct Albacore rods. And yes, we actually build a rod specifically for albacore fishing. And what we did was we wanted to basically get a rod that the guys could really have a lot of lifting power, because albacore really pull hard. And what we've done is we slowed the blanks up slightly. It made a moderate fast taper design, so you can really get a lot of lifting power, but it's not going to beat up the angler when you're pulling on a fish. So just like the other SCT rods, we're utilizing a 24-ton carbon rod blank. It utilizes the same spiral carbon wrap technology, wrapped in the dual helix configuration with over 6,000 strands of carbon fiber. The other thing that we're utilizing, just like the other SCT rods, is a Ufr Construction, which is a unidirectional fiber reinforcement, which has over 3 times the lifting power in the tip section, which is where many times you break a rod from high sticking, because where most rods are utilizing a spiral wound fiber at the tip, we're utilizing a long strand fiber, so it's running longitudinal direction along the tip of the blank. So that's going to distribute that pressure and weight over a longer period of area, which allows you to get that 3 times plus lifting power out of the tip section. Now the guides on this series are going to use the Alps stainless steel guides. They're 3/16 grade stainless steel guide frames. They're all double-footed guides, and the inserts are going to be titanium oxide inserts. So you got an extremely durable guide frame that you're not going to get rust or corrosion on with that 3/16 grade stainless steel. And then on the rods itself, we have a few different configurations. We have a 6'6" casting model that's going to utilize machined aluminum, silver anodized reel seat. So it's extremely durable. It's going to have a lot of holding power, and we do have a nylon locking washer in between the 2 nuts, so it'll help prevent from backing off in a fishing situation. When you move over to the spinning rod configuration, we utilize a Fuji reel seat to keep that rod as light as possible. We have 2 different models. We have a 7-foot that's going to come in both a medium power as well as a medium heavy power. And again, the main difference here is you're going to have the Fuji reel seat. The last rod in the SCT Albacore series is a trolling rod that we designed. Just like the other models, has a full EVA forward and rear grip. Also has a machined aluminum silver anodized reel seat. But what we've done on this rod to make it a little more specific to a trolling rod and also keep that price down for these private boaters is that we went with a machined aluminum silver anodized gimbal, where the other spinning and casting models have the rubberized gimbal. And then the other thing that we've done is we've gone to a heavier duty, taller profile Alps guide for trolling, so that the rod's not going to touch a blank. And the last thing that we did is on the tip. We went with a very special tip guide, where the other rods are utilizing an insert. This is a welded Alps tip that utilizes a Carment insert. This was what guys usually use for wire line. So we wanted to really develop a rod that we keep the price down, but really develop a top-notch blank and give you the best possible components in a rod. Best of all, the SCT Albacore series is going to retail and be family price for all 5 models at $109.99 retail. Check these rods out at your local retailer or find out more information at okumafishing.com.